Are you looking for the right CSRD solution? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different options. They are all from Copenhagen, but they have very different approaches. One is trying to completely automate the CSRD reporting process. Another one is focusing on the travel industry and trying to do the CSRD reporting for them. And the third one is using AI to simplify the process. So stay tuned for the video. But before I start, a quick introduction about myself. My name is Daniel. I'm the founder of Atlas Zero, and I'm helping companies to find the right CSRD solution for them. I'm trying to do that by providing more transparency to the different CSRD solutions that are out there with, for example, this video, but also on my platform. I have around 100 CSRD solutions on my platform, and I also have a free guide for CSRD, and I'm trying to just provide more information about CSRD in general and help companies to find the right solution for their specific situation. Okay, but without further ado, let's start with the video. The first solution I want to present is Genetix Computing. They are from Copenhagen, as I already said, and they currently have, I think, around 5 employees. And looking further into their solution, this is their website. At first, I had a little bit of a difficulty understanding what they're trying to do, but when talking to them, it got a lot clearer for me, because currently they help to automate the data collection for the E1 of the CSRD. So with the CSRD reporting, you have it structured in the ESRS, and there you have the first 5 of the ESRS are all E, so for the environment. Then you have 4 for social aspects and 1 for the governmental aspect. And they are focusing from those 10, they're focusing on E1. So the environmental aspect, but this is also the one that is mandatory in the beginning. So I assume they will extend it in the future. But right now they really focus on the environmental part. And the way that they explained it is that by uploading your accounting data, either from an ERP, or basically you just need to be able to upload the data to the API, that they then can assess all the information needed for CSRD regarding your E1. So I have not seen how this works practically, but I really like the idea, because getting all the information for CSRD is really a lot of effort. And if they are actually able to read all of this information out of your accounting data, this would be a huge help. They also said that they are not using AI for the process. So while they're trying to automate it, this is not based on AI and based on the rules and the facts that they have in the system. And they don't provide any double materiality assessment. They really focus on the optimization of the data collection. And the pricing point that I got from them was 669 euros for the first version. But yeah, I think if this interests you in general, you should definitely reach out to them. I think that for your CSRD reporting, probably you also have to report on the S1 and about the general ESRS. So maybe this is not enough to help you with the full CSRD report, but it could potentially help you a lot getting the data for the E1 of your CSRD report. So yeah, if that interests you, definitely check them out. The second solution I want to present is BeCause. They currently have around 20 employees, also from Copenhagen, as I said before. And looking at their website, they really, they really focus on the travel aspect. So they help hotels and travel agencies to do the CSRD reporting. They also have a pricing page, so they have the first package basically starts for free. And I talked to them, and they said if one is interested in the CSRD reporting, basically the price starts at 24,000 euros for the license. Yeah, and here on the website, you can also see a little bit in the FAQs that they are currently working to include the CSRD in their already existing platform. Yeah, here on the website, they have a little bit more information about their product that they currently have and how they implement that in the travel industry. And yeah, further down, they also talk about how they implement AI and how this is going to be beneficial for you. They do not, or I did not find any information about the double materiality assessment. Yes, but this should be quite interesting for companies in the travel industry that have to do the CSRD, because I think a lot of the questions that will come up could be very industry specific, and they probably have the answers to that. Okay. Coming to the next and final solution for this video, which is BeWo. They are also from Copenhagen and currently have around 15 employees. When looking a little bit more on their website, they have some information about their reporting structure and how they use it, a little bit more information on this. They here talk about the CSRD aspect. And yes, on the next page, they also talk about the pricing structure. So basically, they have those 3 different pricing packages. But in order to do the CSRD, you would have to go with the enterprise model. I do not know how much this currently costs. And I also did not find any information about whether they include a double materiality assessment. Yeah, going back to the page, they also mentioned that they're using AI in order to simplify the reporting. So yeah, I do not know how exactly they're doing this right now, but yeah, I'm sure that I will get more information about this in the future. And as soon as I do, I will definitely let you know and update you with more information on their solution. Okay. Coming to the conclusion. I think, the information was, I hope the information was helpful for you. I think it was quite interesting because the solutions are all very different. The idea to automate the data collection process for E1, I really like. If this actually works, this is going to be super helpful and going to save a lot of time. Also to have solutions that are very specific for industry, I think also is beneficial because a lot of the topics are going to be industry specific and different in every industry. So to have an expert for industry is definitely a good idea. And also the idea of including AI, I think if done properly, can really simplify the whole process and save time. And yeah, I think that's a good idea because CSRD is already a complex topic. So the more we can simplify it, the better. Yes, I hope this video was helpful for you. I have more information about CSRD solution on my website and also more content on CSRD there. So if that interests you, I have a link below. Check it out. Other than that, I'm gonna add some other videos that I did previously also regarding CSRD in this video. So make sure to check those out. And yeah, if the content was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. This really helps me to reach more people and provide more transparency in the CSRD sector. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.